Dear students, welcome to my class. So in my last video I have discussed the uses of definite article up to this much, which is in page number 35. So today I shall discuss the exercises. You'll get it in page number 36. See, number one, A question is fill in the blanks with a, an or the. Number one is we need dash engineer to fix the fault in the meter. So the question is, in order to there is a fault in the meter box. In order to fix it, we need an engineer. So SE is vowel and it sounds vowel. So the article will be an. We need an engineer to fix the fault in the meter. Next is he visited dash White House in dash United States of America. So White House is this is one White House which is in America, and United States of America is the name of a country. So as these are special because they are specific. So for specific things the article used is the. So in both the blanks the is used. Let's go to number 3. I got dash A plus for my project and I am very happy. See, A is a vowel and sounds also vowel. So the article used is N. Number 4. Sir, the dash gentleman you are waiting for is in the hall. He is making dash phone call. You are talking about a particular gentleman who is waiting in the hall. Means you are talking about a particular person. So in that case the article used is the. Sir, the gentleman you are waiting for is in the hall. He is making a phone call. Means he is making a call. He is calling someone. Number 5. This is dash man Rahul was talking about. Rahul was talking about a man and someone is telling that this is the man. This is pointing at a particular man. So the article is the. Number 6. All her life she wanted to be dash air hostess, but now she is dash nurse. All her life the girl wanted to be an air hostess. So A is vowel, so the article used is an, and now she is a nurse. So nurse, look at the word nurse. N is a consonant, so the article used is A. Number 7. Don't forget to post dash letter I gave you. Means the letter that I gave you, don't forget to post. Means I am talking about a specific letter. So the article used is the. Next is dash world has 7 continents. It will be the, because world specific. Number 9. Rani went to China and saw dash Great Wall of China. So Great Wall of China, it is in China. So it's specific. No other countries this wall is there. It is the largest wall in the world. So the article is the, will be the. Number 10. I have got dash idea that I would like to share with you. So idea, I is a vowel. So the article used is N. Not only vowel, it must be a vowel sound. So I, the pronunciation, the sound is vowel. So the article used is N. Let's go to number B. Rewrite the sentences using articles wherever necessary. Number 1. He didn't enjoy book I gave him. The way I have written, you don't write, you just understand. When I will give notes, that time you write. Don't write as it is that you see in the video. It is I just solved to make you understand. When I will give notes, then only you will write. He didn't enjoy book I gave him. The question is to use articles wherever necessary. So he didn't enjoy book I gave him means he gave a particular book which you did not enjoy. Talking about a specific book. So here before book the will be used. Next, she is artist and she is married to engineer. So before artist N will be used, and before engineer also N is required because both are vowels. Article artist A is vowel, engineer E is vowel. So before that N will be used. Number 3. Last week I went to school to meet old teacher of mine. Last week you went to your school to meet a teacher of an old teacher of yours. So if you went to a particular place, that is the school, so it will be the. And there are many old teachers. You went to meet a particular teacher, one teacher. So you are not mentioning any of the names of the teacher. You are just telling that you are going to meet a teacher, old teacher. So SO is vowel. So the article used is N. Number 4, many people think Tendulkar is greatest man of all time. See, greatest is a superlative word. So superlative degree, before superlative degree the is used. So answer before greatest it will be the. Number 5, it is dangerous for sick person to drive car. Means they are talking about a particular group of people. Means if a sick person cannot drive a car, so it is specific. So I have written it is dangerous for the sick person to drive a car. The car, there is no specific name of the car, so it is common. So the article will be A. Number 6, there is new restaurant in town. It is next to park that I go to every day. Means there is a restaurant in the town. So the name of the restaurant is not given. It is just a mentioning that they are telling that there is a restaurant in the town. So it will be A. There is a restaurant in the town. It is next to what? Next to a specific location. Here the location is park. So in that case the article will be the. It is next to the park that I go to every day. So let's go to number C. Rewrite this paragraph. Insert articles wherever required. Wherever articles are required, you have to place it. So number A, it is a story. So let's read it. Thief was once brought before judge. So it will be a thief was once brought before a judge. He was charged with having made hole in wall of his neighbor's house. So he was charged with, he made a hole in the wall of his neighbor's house, and for this reason he was charged, and he stole jewelry from there. Thief fell on his knees and wept a lot. So what did he do? The thief, he fell on the judge's knees and he cried a lot. So here the article will be first line. A, you have to use A. A thief was once brought before a judge. He was charged with having made a hole. Means he made a particular hole one hole in the wall of his neighbor's house. See, neighbor's house is, there are many locations in a house. No, he is talking about a particular place, that is the wall. So the article used is the. See here, you will find here the. And stolen jewelry from there. Next line you will see that here thief, 2 times thief is there. At first if you find a thief, here you have to use the article A, but if you find the same noun repeated again, then you have to use the, because you are talking about that particular thief. So here the particle will be the. The thief fell on his knees and wept a lot. Let's go to next paragraph. Then he said, Sir, I am very poor man, I am honest man, I have never done anything wrong. He is telling that, sir, I am very poor, I am honest, and he has never done anything wrong. So here it will be, sir, I am a very poor man and I am an honest man, because honest H remains silent. So the pronunciation starts from O, and SO is a vowel, so the article will be N. I am an honest man. I have never done anything wrong, but this right hand of mine has become very naughty. He is telling that my right hand has become very naughty. It does all the wrong things. I am not naughty. I am very poor man. I am an honest man. But this right hand of mine has become very naughty. It is guilty of many sins. It means here the right hand. Telling that he is blaming his right hand, that this right hand is guilty of every bad things that it has done. It is this hand that made the hole in the wall. See, before you got one hole, here you got, so you wrote A, but if you get the in the second time you got again, so here will be the, that made the hole in the wall. The jewelry means you are talking about the particular jewelry that was stolen, so here again it is specific, so the article will be the jewelry was also stolen by hand. I am innocent. He's telling that the jewelry was also stolen by my right hand. I am innocent. I am not a naughty person. I am very good. The thief is telling. In the next paragraph, you will see that he is also telling that I am also kind man, said the judge. Said judge. I know you are a good person. You are innocent. So here, before kind, you have to use the article A. I am also a kind man, said the judge. The judge is telling that I am also a kind man. I know you are a good person. The judge is telling the thief that I know you are a good person. You are an innocent. See, innocent, I is vowel, so the article used is an. You are innocent. You are an innocent fellow. Fellow means person. You deserve to be set free. Means that the judge is telling the thief that you deserve to get freedom, but your hand must be punished. Since you told that you are not to be blamed for the crime that you have done, your hand is guilty for all this. So the judge is telling you deserve to get freedom, but your hand must be punished. Your hand will go to prison for 5 years. The judge is telling that as your hand is guilty of all the bad things, all the crime that it has done, so the hand has to go to prison. Prison means jail for 5 years. You are free to stay outside. Then you just stay outside only, the hand will go to prison for 5 years. So here no more article is used in last two sentences. So I hope you will be clear while watching the video. Let's go to next portion, that is omission of articles. Omission means there are some rules where articles are not required. See here, we do not use articles before expressions like last night, last week, last month, next year, next month. For example, before these expressions, article is not used. There are 3 examples. Number 1, what did you eat last night? Next is, when will you come next Sunday? I met him last month. See, in all the 3 expressions, before that article is not used. So you read the rules carefully. This is the main thing, and along with it you read the examples. Then it will be clear. Number 2 is before uncountable nouns. For example, if it uncountable, such as sugar. Sugar is uncountable, so before the article is not used. Sugar is made from sugar cane. Next is, rice and lentils are an important part of an Indian's diet. All of us take rice, and lentils is a seed that we get from lentil plant, which is eaten by almost every people of India. So before this, as these are uncountables, you cannot count it, so before that article is not used. Same, the third example, gold and silver are used to make jewelry. Before that also article is not used. Let's go to number 3, before abstract nouns which are uncountable. Abstract nouns means what? Means the nouns which you can only think of and nothing else. For example, wisdom is more precious than gold. Wisdom means the one who is intelligent. You can see the particular person who is intelligent, but intelligent you cannot just see it or hold it. No, you can just think about it. So wisdom is more precious than gold. So wisdom is an abstract noun. Before that article is not used. I hope you are clear with abstract nouns, which I have already discussed in the chapter nouns. So next is health is wealth. Means if your health is good, then everything is good. Means health is the treasure. If your health is not good, then what will you do with all the money and all? Health is the ultimate value. Means is the main thing, is the wealth. Valuable thing. Health is a valuable thing. So health also, wealth you cannot count. So you can just think of that you were rich. A health also you cannot see it, or you can only think about it. So before abstract nouns, articles are not used. Number 3, beauty is admired by all. Means one who is beautiful is loved by all. So beauty also you can only think of. You cannot touch. You can only just make an idea. You can only just think of. So before beauty also article is not used. Number 4, before plural countable nouns. See, before plural countable nouns, you can see here computers. Computer is a countable noun, but it is plural. So before plural also article is not used. Computers are user friendly machines. Means computers have become friends for all of us because it does all the work by itself. Next is books are our best friends. See, books, book is also countable, but as it is plural, before plural you cannot use any article. Number 5 rule, before proper nouns. For example, India is a powerful country and New Delhi is the capital of India. See, here there are 3 proper nouns: India, New Delhi and India again. So before proper nouns article is not used. Next is Nainital in Uttarakhand is a popular tourist spot. It is a hill station. It is in Uttarakhand. So before places, before proper nouns, and proper nouns always begins with capital letter. So before proper nouns, you cannot use any article. Let's go to number 6 point. Before the names of languages. For example, can you speak German? German is a language of Germany. So before language also see there is no article. Tamil is the oldest surviving language. This is the oldest language that is still used by people. This language is still going on. So Tamil, it is the name of a language of Tamil Nadu. So here also article is not used. Means before languages articles are not used. Many South Americans speak Portuguese. So Portuguese, it is the language of Portugal. Portugal is the name of a country. So next is English and French are the 2 most popular languages spoken in Canada. So English, it is of Great Britain. Then French for the people of it is the language of the people of France. These are 2 languages which are most popular spoken in Canada. Canada is the name of a country. So before languages articles are not used. Number 7, with phrases such as by chance. See here highlighted phrases: by chance, by mistake, at home, by train, on foot. Before these phrases you cannot use any articles. Such as there are 2 examples. We met each other by chance. See, before by chance article is not used. My friend stepped on the puppy's tail by mistake. So before by mistake you cannot use any article. Let's go to next page, page number 38. See, before school, college, university, office, hospital, bed, when they are used for their usual or normal activity. See, before any school or college, university, office, hospital, bed, when they are used for their normal activity, before that you cannot use any article. Suppose my brother is in college, so before school, college you don't put any article. I went to bed at 11 p.m. So before these words you cannot use articles. Number 9, before names of meals in a general way. See, such as in the morning we take breakfast, then comes lunch, then comes dinner. So before meals you don't put any article. Number 1 is father is making lunch. Next is do not wait for me for dinner. Number 10, before years. For example, he was born in 2010. The film was released in 2017. Before years, articles are not used. So these are 10 rules where you cannot use articles. So you read the rules carefully along with the example. Then you will be clear. In my next video, I shall discuss this exercise D. And you read the rules of all the definite articles, indefinite articles, their omission of articles. Is very important to know the rules. Then only you can solve the exercise and it will be easy for you to understand. So let's end the class here for today. So thank you.